Thank you so much.
Small children in view at all times, and for safety reasons, small children are not permitted on the outside decks without adult supervision. Once again, if you have any questions or concerns throughout the tour, feel free to ask any one of the crew members, and we'll be happy to assist you. Thank you, and enjoy the tour. Paddle wheel on the stern of our vessel is the only means of propulsion, as we will cruise around this harbor at a comfortable speed of 6 knots or about 11 kilometers per hour. She was modeled after the early British Columbian stern wheelers that used to operate the Burrard Channel after his Navy friend Sir Harry Burrard. In 1858, the city of North America, just after New York City, San Francisco, and Mexico City. International trade is Vancouver's largest industry, and that's largely due to its role as in its perimeter around the Pacific Northwest. Not only home to the original Vancouver Convention Centre, but it's also home to the 4-star Pan Pacific Hotel, Port of Vancouver, and to the World Trade Center. As you can see by this beautiful cruise ship here today, the Silver News, Canada Place serves as our main cruise ship terminal. Vancouver is the leading homeport to Alaska and the only gateway through Canada's Inside Passage. Now if you take a look in behind Canada Place, you'll notice a tall brown square building. Well, this building is home to our 2 daily newspapers, The Sun and The Province. However, this building does double as the world's tallest air traffic control tower. You'll be able to see this small observation booth sitting on top of the 29th floor. At 140 meters, or 470 feet, this booth will control all the local seaplane and helicopter activity here in the area. Also in behind Canada Place, you'll notice the Harbour Center Lookout Tower. It was built in 1977, and this was the tallest structure here in the province, right up until the Shangri-La Hotel opened up in 2009. At the top, there's a revolving restaurant and a lookout observation deck. Both can be accessed in 40 seconds via glass elevator. It was the famous American astronaut Neil Armstrong who was on hand for its opening ceremonies.
where we started. We go, and there are more people waiting out there. And once again, thank you so much everyone for watching, and I hope you enjoy the cruising, and see you on my next vlog. Have a good day and bye.